Malani, ko toku ingo ko Estella ko aue hea mai hoka Tokelau. As a tangata tiriti o Aotearoa, participating in Matariki celebrations acknowledges Māori as tangata whenua, while also celebrating my own identity within the wider Pasifika community. Lau and Māori both come from deep voyaging traditions guided by the stars, and even though Matariki isn't a Tokelauan celebration, the values behind it aligns with my own cultural values and beliefs. Matariki might inspire Tokelauans to revive and reconnect with our own star systems and navigation traditions. It could be an opportunity for us as a community to come together, talanoa, and reflect on ancestry, migration, and belonging. And with climate change affecting not only Tokelau but also other Pasifika nations, Matariki could become a moment for us to think about the future of our island homeland and diaspora communities. Tokelauan culture places strong emphasis on remembering our ancestors, honouring those who have passed, and acknowledging our ngahua or whakapapa. And this aligns with the Māori concept of maumahara, and it also reminds me of Te alanga kupu hoka Tokelau, or the Tokelauan whakatauki laka ki moa kai a wakitoa, which essentially means move forward while looking back, acknowledging and respecting the past and those that came before us. So with Matariki's focus on remembrance, gratitude, and togetherness, it fits perfectly with the Tokelauan cultural values and practices such as aloha, hoka aloalo, tautua, inati, and celebrating together. Hakahataini ke maua e koto, mau koto ka inga he Matariki huia huia, kai vena hoki nā tauhenga koi mua ke manuia. Ke maua he Matariki heonga le mū ma te ngali. Tahani!